Congratulations on the purchase of one of the finest optical viewing screens anywhere in the world. To ensure many years of trouble-free service from your new Stewart Filmscreen product, be sure to carefully follow the assembly directions presented in this video. Make sure there is a clean surface on which to unroll the screen and assemble the frame. Next, be sure to have lint-free, clean cloth gloves when handling the screen. Within your Stewart Filmscreen product, you will find the following parts and accessories: 4 5/16/18 by 1/2 inch hex head bolts, 2 frame width bars. The top frame pieces can be identified by the easy mount brackets, 2 frame height bars, and 1 easy mount bracket. On your clean surface, lay the frames out with the button side facing up. To begin assembling the frame, connect the frame members by matching the numbered dots at the end of the members. Be sure to connect starting from the right-hand corner at number 1, then to the top right-hand side at number 2, until you reach the bottom left-hand corner of the frame at number 4. Then, starting at number 1, secure the frame members with the supplied hex head bolts. Once completed, be sure to follow the mounting instructions specific to your mounting type before proceeding to attach the screen. See the WallScreen Deluxe manual for more information. The viewing side of the projection screen is rolled to the inside to protect the optical coating. Remove the screen from the cardboard shipping tube. On a clean surface, completely unroll the screen, viewing side up. Remove the protective foam from the screen material. You may need to rotate the frame to match your unrolled screen material. In this instance, the top of the frame is parallel to the top screen sticker. Then, place the frame over the screen, snap side down. While lifting the frame with one hand, snap the corners of the frame and then complete horizontally along the top. Gently allow the screen to stretch onto the snaps. Do not jerk, wrinkle, or crease the screen material, as it can be damaged. Lift the frame to a vertical position to finish attaching the sides and bottom row of the snaps. After determining the installation location and height, lift and position the frame onto the top wall brackets with help from another person. Please feel free to call our team of qualified customer service professionals to help with any questions or concerns you may have. Thank you.